guys, so unfortunately I'm not able to go live today, like in the day for the morning session. But what a wonderful time we had at Luscious, today. It was very informative. If you missed that, you guys, go and check out my girl Luscious. I'm gonna put her name right there so you guys can, go see. We had a wonderful time on the live this morning. It was very informative, very educational, was packed up with a lot of nutrients. All right, so it was a very nutritious live. And here we are, guys. As I told you guys that I'm drinking garlic tea. I'm doing garlic mixture with other herbs that I always say to you guys that you can mix your herbs, right? And I said to you, you can mix up to five, six, seven herbs together, right? So here in my pot, I have citrus. That's boggle lime, we call it here in Jamaica, and some persons call it the lemon. So it's Jamaican lemon. And we have our garlic in here, turmeric, and leaf of life. And what else we have? We have onion in here. What else do I have here? And I'm gonna use some ginger, and also I'll be using the honey to sweeten this, guys. Yes, so guys, please go ahead and drink to long life, right? Make sure your tea choice is the best today. Make sure you're considering about your health. And actually I'll be squeezing a little bit more lemon in this because I just did that with a peel and everything. Yes, I am really considering about my health these days, and I want you guys to be health conscious also. I may have had a little piece of thyme to this. I may put a piece of thyme in it. Yeah, stick around, guys. I'm gonna share. I'm gonna pour it in my cup and all of that. Let you guys see the color and everything. So yes, and you like the this video already? Go ahead and like it up. Go ahead and like it up. What are you waiting on? So I'm gonna just bring this to a boil right now. Gonna just bring it over by the stove and start bubbling and a bubble and a bubble. That's what we're gonna do right now. All right, let it bubble a bit. Look at that. It is coming to a boil. That's medicine right there. That's healing right there. Yeah. There's a healing in this room with my name on it. Come on. Where's your herb? Where are the herbs? Come on, take out your herbs, people. Come on. Where are the herbs? Don't stay there being sick. See, guys, I had the mint. So not the mint, the thyme to it. Also, yes, guys, yes, guys. You can get these in your local store. If you don't have the leaf of life, you can use the other stuff, right? Because I know that maybe they don't sell leaf of life like that. Where you are, I'm talking to my foreigners. But turmeric is there in your country, garlic, onion, thyme, yeah, ginger. Come on now, yeah. Guys, I had to put some more water in this because my husband was like, I want some more. Because, guys, I warned him. I told him, I said, hon, you need to take care of your health. You need to start drinking these herbs. And he was not listening to me, guys. No, he's having the flu. And I was there working on my immune system from before. Yes, and now it's like I want some of that. I made him some early this morning, and he was like, any more tea? I need some more. When you don't hear, you feel. Guys, don't let it be your cry. Don't let it be your cry. Come on. Look at that. Come on, everything coming together. Look at everybody working together. That's what we all need to do. Work together. Come on, work together. Everybody just enjoying the swim. Hmm? Yes, man, they want to get you healthy. Come on, swim around in the hot water. Yes. Oh, look how gorgeous those things look. Look how gorgeous those things look. Yep, let's pour. Let's pour to a better life. Yep. And guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger to this. Yes, this is ginger. So I'm gonna add a little ginger to it, as I told you guys before that I'm putting ginger in it also. It's gonna change the color a bit, but that's okay. And next I'll be pouring in the honey. And guys, my honey now is looking like this. Look, I placed like garlic and onion in there. Yes, because he said that he has a his chest sore throat and stuff like that. So I had to put that in. Yeah, and that's the only honey I have because you know guys that have been using this honey a lot. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit in just for taste. You guys can do it out. You don't really have to use this. Well, you can see my finger has the turmeric on it because I was peeling them, washing them. So it has it on it. And then guys, what we're gonna do next is to stir and enjoy. Stir it up. Yep, yep, yep. Go ahead and enjoy your medicine. Natural herbs. Blessings, everyone. See you later. All right, take care. Blessings. See you later on my live. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and also to leave a comment. God bless you. Love you all. Much, 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 much. Tea time. It's tea time.